In this video, we will install brackets onto our machine. Now in this demonstration, I'm using a PC, but the installation should be more or less the same on a Mac. If you're using Mac, another option is to install using Homebrew Cask. Homebrew Cask is an elegant means of installing programs from the command line, and it can be used to install brackets. I recommend that if you're comfortable with the command line and on a Mac or Linux, you use Homebrew to install brackets. The basic instructions for installing a program using Homebrew Cask are available at Homebrew Cask's website at caskroom.io. To install brackets on a PC, click the Download Brackets button that's in the middle of the brackets website. The program will begin installing. If you're using Chrome, you'll see an installation message in the bottom left of your screen. This might take a minute, so be patient while it downloads. Alternatively, you can also download the source code for brackets and compile it. Compiling brackets yourself is a bit beyond the scope of this tutorial series. For most purposes, you should be more than able to accomplish what you need to using the regular brackets builds. However, if you're interested, you can find the full build instructions at their website at github.com/adobe/brackets. Once brackets has finished downloading, you can begin the installer by clicking the icon that appears at the bottom left of the screen. For most purposes, the default options should be fine, so click Next unless you understand what you're changing and change an option. The installer will install brackets to our machine. Accept any prompts that appear. Adobe is a trusted corporation, so generally you can trust the brackets install. This might take a minute depending on what kind of hard drive you're using. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. Now, brackets is available. You can access it various ways depending on your operating system. On a PC, open your Start menu with the Start button. This is what it will look like on Windows 8 or above. On Mac, press Command-Space to open your Spotlight and then type brackets. Press Enter to open brackets. Congratulations! If you're seeing brackets, you have it installed. If you see any warnings to allow you to use certain features of your operating system, allow them. This will allow brackets to do its best to help you write code. Congratulations! You've successfully installed brackets.